So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now, and then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. We can run it in the background as you complete the next steps in the video, so you just want to minimize this. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you run this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure your computer is fully up to date. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you run this, you're going to expand display adapters. Now you're going to find your graphics card. You're going to right click on it. And then click on update driver. And then click on search responsive for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for the device installed. And now you're going to come back into CMD, wait for your scan to be completed. Now we're going to type in chkdsk /f//r. Click on enter. Wait for this to load. And then once this comes up, you're going to type in Y and then click on enter again. And now you just want to restart your computer, but keep on watching the video. Restart your computer, keep on watching. And then once your computer is turning on, it's going to be saying to skip this checking, press any key. Do not press any key. You do not want to press any key. Let all the seconds load in. It's now going to run this scan for you. And then once the scan's been completed, it will take you back to Windows and then the problem should be fixed.